It's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of my video, we keep the party going at One Size Beauty because we are back with another launch. Waterproof, smudge-proof, 12-hour wear, cruelty-free, and vegan. Let's have a brow kiki. The definition of brow kiki is a party or gathering where brows are invited to express themselves. And guess what? You're invited. Bring your brows back over here. Let me show you how to kiki up in here. Stroke, fill, arch, fluff. Not too soft and not too rough. Show me that, show me that, show me that brow. Serve it the way you want. Brow kiki. Brow kiki! As you guys can see, we are here in a motherfucking Kiki up in Star Studios. I transformed this space with my team to give you guys a Kiki, a brow Kiki, because we're here to express ourselves, okay? Really quick, if you guys are unfamiliar with the word Kiki, Kiki is a term that originated in the LGBTQ plus community that refers to a party or a gathering where you and your friends can catch up, relax, dress up, spill the tea, and for me, my gays, my theys, my girls, my guys, it's literally our thing to say, let's have a Kiki, let's catch up, what you doing, let's hang. So with One Size, our spin on it, and our definition of a brow Kiki is a party or gathering where brows are invited to express themselves. The products that I'm about to show you are here to help you shape and define your brow styles. You guys, we had so much fun creating these campaign visuals to inspire you to join the One Size family because literally, we about to get out. Quarantine about to be over. A bitch is tired, okay? Let's have a Kiki. Really quick, can y'all peep these earrings? They say one size, in case y'all are wondering what this alphabet soup of an earring says. It says one size, because we're that extra. All right, first up we have our micro brow Kiki defining pencil. Packaging is so gorgeous in our iconic metallic red, and it was important to me to have the shade showing on the outside because you know it's really hard for me to just fanoodle through my kit and find my shades. So the show shade is on the outside and corresponding with the actual title, and all the pencils come in 7 shades, and I wanted a beautiful pencil formula that could fill in, shape, and extend your brows seamlessly without fading or smudging throughout the day. You guys know I sweat. And of course, a durable tip that does not break easily, and this pencil does just that. This pencil is 12-hour, waterproof, and smudge-proof, and if you guys are wondering, it is retractable. And this tip is so sickening, so fine, and allows you to fill in the blanks with real hair-like strokes to amp up your brows for any Kiki, okay? For those that love knowing, the special waxes in this formula create a soft yet durable texture to set and hold your pigment all day long. This is literally perfect for those that get really sweaty, especially this summer, for all the queens that jig and jive out there and death drop. This is so perfect. And there's also vitamin E that nourishes and revitalizes brow hairs. These retail for $19 US and $25 Canadian, and I highly recommend pairing these pencils with our One Size nourishing brow gels for the ultimate brow Kiki. Think of them as each other's plus ones at the Kiki. And speaking of brow gels, this is the One Size Brow Kiki Tinted Nourishing Brow Gels. They also come in 7 tinted shades. And now for these, I wanted a brow gel with a perfect amount of pigment and brow fiber to evenly coat the brows. And I did that so we can serve up smooth, tame brows that aren't crunchy or stiff. The formula is so perfect, and it's perfect for those that want the ultimate lift, tint, and brow boost with 3D volume. Yes, y'all, we included a fiber trio that creates a 3D effect on your brows, and you know what? She's just giving thick, she's giving diorama, and they're also formulated with candela wax extract to deliver that crunch-free, all-day, waterproof hold, and we included brow living ingredients like coconut oil, castor seed oil to help condition, revitalize, and nourish the hairs. And y'all know already, if you guys haven't known, I lost the hair on my head, so I'm working with what I got, which is the brows on my face. And most of all, it's good to use stuff that's good for you. Did I mention that they're cruelty-free and vegan? Period. So like I said, imagine using this after you created a beautiful snatch shape with a Brow Kiki pencil and sealing the deal with the Brow Kiki tinted gel. These two are perfect for each other and for everyone. I know I just showed you guys the pencil, the Brow Kiki gel that's tinted, but just to be clear, get it? I created a clear nourishing brow gel. But like the tints, they also retail for $21 US and 28 Canadian. And let me tell you, this one is perfect for the gays and the guys that just want something so natural. You know what? Here at One Size Beauty, makeup is a one size fits all. This is ultra versatile and it is literally a must-have for everyone. Even if you don't want that tint, you want to hold your hairs up and out and lift it, it opens up the eyes. And like the tinted gels, I wanted to create a clear version that delivered the smooth holds without the crunch, without the stiffness, that could be used with absolutely any hair color, even if you bald. Anyways, this gray is for those who like to switch up their brow colors or match their mood or the wigs like me. And also like the Brow Kiki tinted gels, this too has coconut oil and castor seed oil. And you could also, for you men out there, can use it for your beards and mustaches to hold your hair in place. I would know if I had some, but I tried it out on Peter. And you know, Peter is rocking a little goatee right now and he likes to use it because they be going like that or like that. So he's cute. Right, Peter? Now what's a YouTube video without a demo? I'm gonna show you guys how I use the Brow Kiki products. Let's have a Brow Kiki. This is the Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil in the color medium brown. I kind of like to switch between medium brown and dark brown to get the more dramatic look, but for the most part, I am medium brown. And I like to start with a long line underneath the brow to get the base shape of my brow. And that will kind of guide the rest of my brow. After I get the line underneath, I like to go ahead on top and parallel path the brow. Just follow your brow. Some out there may have sparse spots, so you can use this to fill in the blank. And I happen to be a little bit thinner on top of my brows. Now I like to take that and connect it to the end of the tail and then slowly work my way in and fill in the rest of the brow. Now, this is where it gets kind of custom made. Now, for me, since I'm doing a more full coverage glam PatrickStarrr look, I like to bring my brows a little bit closer. So I'm gonna go ahead and cheat that, mixing medium brown and dark brown together to create those extra strokes. And as you guys can see, the fade is looking so beautiful because I'm taking the other end of the pencil and using the spoolie just to blend the product into the hairs and also to get that fade on the skin where I don't have hairs. And so I'm gonna get that beautiful faded snatched brow effect. After I get the perfect shape with the Brow Kiki pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Brow Kiki tinted nourishing brow gel and go ahead and comb through my brow just to give the hairs up and out and to give that 3D effect. And also, if you guys are fuller glam and you love to bake your face, this is the perfect product to kind of get the residual loose setting powder off of your face to give that brow the perfect snatch. Now here, take a look at me before the Brow Kiki. And this is me after the Brow Kiki. Here is the before the Brow Kiki with nothing on my face. And here is me full glam, full regalia with the snatched brow that looks absolutely perfect. So with those that need help finding your shade, you remember the Turn Up the Base shade finder on onesizebeauty.com. We also have a shade finder for finding your brow shade, also on onesizebeauty.com. So be sure to go ahead and visit onesizebeauty.com and take our shade finder quiz, or visit One Size Shade Finder on Instagram for help. Just shoot us a DM. We can help you find your Brow Kiki shade or also help you find your Turn Up the Base powder shade as well. Oh, and something so cute we did that was a little bit extra because we extra at one size. We also created an Instagram filter that you guys should most definitely check out to virtually try on your shade. Now, PatrickStarrr, when can I buy this on Sephora.com and OneSizeBeauty.com? Right now. You guys can go ahead and head over to both sites, Sephora.com and OneSizeBeauty.com, because it is available. So go ahead and get your brow Kiki on. Now really quick, we got a deal for y'all because you know it's summer and it's Pride. Now for the entire month of June, you can get 20% off when you purchase one of these or one of these, and there is a bundle deal when you purchase a brow pencil and a gel together. And you guys can use the code BrowKiki at checkout. Cha-ching! And on June 18th, you can check out Brow Kiki in a Sephora store near you. That wraps up Brow Kiki. Hopefully we can have a real one in the future, but in the meantime, I invite you all to join the Brow Kiki and get your brows together. As always, feel free to tag us in your content so that when we browse social media, we can see all your work and I can possibly repost you. And we are turning up even more exciting things soon, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me and my brand. And most of all, don't forget, makeup is a one-size-fits-all.
Bring your brows back over here. Let me show you how to kiki up in here. Stroke, fill, arch, fluff. Not too soft and not too rough. Show me that, show me that, show me that brow. Serve it the way you want. Brow kiki.